Hello there. Recently, the back end of my car was damaged. As you can see, the tailgate was damaged. The lamp lens on the tailgate was broken, and the body actually caved in. Here you can see the lens of the rear lights on the body seems okay. Only the corner damage, that should be fine. There's also a lamp cluster on the tailgate. As you can see here, the lens of this lamp cluster was broken. Here you can see the damage caused to the tailgate after the lamp removed. This photo shows after the lamp on the body removed. It looks not too bad, but actually the car body was caved in because it's collided with the opening of the garage door. Okay, what did I do about it? Here is a list describing what I actually tried. And I had to remove the lamps on the body and the lamp on the tailgate, and I have to remove all the panels and the trims from inside of the car, back of the car, in order to knock the body and the tailgate out, and then put everything back. For the broken lens on the tailgate, I just tried to glue them together. Now this photo shows the other side of the lamp cluster. I tried my best to knock the body out as far as possible and try to knock the tailgate flat as far as possible. This shows after I finished repair and put the lamp on the body on. Look at this photo. This is after repair. If you look at the repaired area from a little bit far away, it's not too bad. If you look at closer, you can see the problem. The edge of the lamp a little bit out. This is due to the car body at the back still a little bit caved in. So we have this edge of the lamp a little bit out. This photo shows the overall result of the repair. Of course, I can change the tailgate. That would cost like £100 to buy from scrapyard. I don't want to do so at the moment. Yeah, if you look at the car from a little bit distance, it looks not too bad. I think this repair, just to keep the car going, I hope it will pass the annual MOT test. I'm going to make more videos showing some of the work when I try to remove the panels, the trim, the things inside of the car. So see you then. Thank you for watching.